Biological questions from General Science Part 3. The first question is the axial skeleton is composed of dash bones. Options are 90, 126, 60 and 80. Answer is 80. The axial skeleton is made up of 80 bones in the central part of our body. And the next question is an ant can see the objects all around it due to the presence of. Options are simple eyes, well developed eyes, compound eyes, eyes over the head. And the answer is compound eyes. And the reason is compound eyes are found among the arthropods and are composed of many simple eye sets called ommatids. They may give either a single pixelated image or multiple images per eye. Each sensor has its own lens and photosensitive cells. Some eyes have up to 28,000 such sensors. Such are arranged hexagonally, give a 360-degree field of vision. Measles is caused by options of virus, fungus, bacteria, amoeba. And the answer is virus. And the reason is measles is an infectious disease caused by rubella virus. It is transmitted via droplets from the nose, mouth, or throat of infected person. It remains an important cause of death among the young children globally, despite the availability of a safe and effective vaccine. And the next question is what kind of muscle is the myocardium made of? Options are epithelial cells, cardiac muscle cells, nerve cells, none of these. And the answer is cardiac muscle cells. The myocardium is a muscular layer of a heart. It consists of cardiac muscle cells arranged in overlapping spiral pattern. If you know the answer, you may comment in a comment box. And the next question is which hormone regulates adrenocorticotrophin release in the pituitary gland? Options are thyrotropin releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. And the answer is corticotropin releasing hormone. And the note is the corticotropin releasing hormone regulates adrenocorticotropin release in the pituitary gland. And the next question is RBC does not perform aerobic respiration because these do not contain. Options are nucleus, lysosomes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. And the answer is mitochondria. Red blood corpuscles do not contain mitochondria when matured. These are the site of aerobic respiration. They also lack the oxidative enzymes that are required for aerobic respirations. The outermost layer of ovary is made of options are simple cuboidal cells, stereocilia, stroma and cilia. And the answer is simple cuboidal cells. And the notice ovarian or germinal epithelium is the outermost layer of the ovary composed of simple cuboidal cells. It is actually a modified visceral peritoneum. And the next question is what would be the formula of fructose? C12H22O11, C6H12O6, C12H19Cl308, C6H1008. And the answer is C6H12O6. And the why reason is fructose or a fruit sugar is a simple hetone monosaccharide found in many plants where it is often bonded to glucose to form a disaccharide sucrose. It is a 6-carbon polyhydroxyetone with chemical formula of C6H12O6. And the next question is the smallest known prokaryotic organism is bacteria, microcytus, mycoplasm, chlorella. And the answer is Mycoplasm. Mycoplasm are the smallest and simplest prokaryotic capable of self-replication. And the next question is, which of the following diseases is spread by pigs? Options are plague, Zika, Nipah, and swine flu. And the answer is swine flu. Swine flu is a disease of pigs that can, in rare cases, be passed to humans. It is a highly contagious respiratory disease caused by one of many influenza A virus. And the next question is, in dicots, the pollen grains possess options are two germ pores, three germ pores, four germ pores, and five germ pores. And the answer is three germ pores. Pollen grains of monocots have one opening germ pore, while pollen grains of dicots have three openings. That is, pollen grains can be monocolpate with one germ pore in monocots, bicolpate two germ pores, and tricolpate three germ pore in dicots. And the next question is, which endocrine gland is found in chest cavity? Options are pineal gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, thyroid gland. And the answer is thymus gland. The endocrine glands are widely distributed throughout the body. The pituitary gland, pineal gland, and hypothalamus are located in the skull. And the next question is, a test is used to determine the sex of the fetus. Amniocentesis, amyloidogenesis, amniotic fluidic. And the answer is amniocentesis. A test is used to determine the sex of the fetus is amniocentesis. And the next question is, hydrochloric acid is secreted by the cells lining the options are stomach, ileum, oral cavity, colon. And the answer is stomach. The chief cells of the stomach secrete enzymes for a protein breakdown. Hydrochloric acid activates pepsinogen into the enzyme pepsin, which then helps digestion by breaking the bonds like linking amino acid, a process known as proteolysis. And the next question, which of the following is a characteristic of fish? Options are tail and venous heart and gills, epidermal scales and tails, epidermal scales and gills. And the answer is venous hearts and gills. Venous heart and gills are the characteristics of fish. Fish are aquatic and cold-blooded vertebrates. And the next question, which of the following is not a waste material removed from blood in the kidney? Options are urea, ammonia, uric acid, and carbon dioxide. And the answer is carbon dioxide. The kidneys are the filtering devices of blood. The kidneys remove waste products from the metabolism, such as urea, uric acid, and creatinine, by producing the secreting urine. Urine may also contain sulfate and phenol waste and excess sodium, potassium, and chloride ions. And the next question is, which of the following animals have incisors that continue to grow their entire life? Options are elephant, walrus, hamster, lion. And the answer is hamster. Hamsters are the rodents belonging to subfamily Chrysotenia. It consists of 19 species classified into 7 genera. What is the main function of white blood cells? Options are to fight against infection, to transport oxygen, blood clotting, to provide red color to blood. If you know the answer, please comment in a comment box. Let's see the answer. To fight against infection. And the notice, white blood cells are the cells of immune system that are involved in protecting the body against both infectious disease and foreign invaders. They are also called leukocytes. And the next question is, what is organic manure used for? Soil amendment, seed starter, natural fertilizer, above all of the above. All of the above. Organic manure is used as a soil amendment, seed starter, mulch, container mix ingredient, or natural fertilizer. The science dealing with the study of the teeth: odontology, ornithology, cosmology, phenology. And the answer is odontology. Odontology is a study of a structure, development, and abnormalities of the teeth. Forensic dentistry or forensic odontology is the proper handling, examination, and evaluation of a dental evidence which can be present in the interest of justice. A dark brown earth-like substance containing a balanced macro and micronutrients. Vermicomposite, Azotobacter, Trichocat, biocompost. And the answer is biocompost. And the next question, which of the following impact yellow color to urine in humans? Lymph, bile salts, urochrome, cholesterol. Urochrome. Urobilin or urochrome is a chemical primarily responsible for the yellow color of the urine. It is a linear tetrapyrrole compound that, along with the related compound urobilinogen and are degradation products of a cyclic tetrapyrrole heme. The number of chambers in a human heart is, options are 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 4. The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 superior arteria and 2 inferior ventricles. The atria or the receiving chambers and ventricles or the discharging chambers. The pathway of blood through the human heart consists of pulmonary circuit and a systematic circuit. Next question is, male mosquitoes take their food from? Options are human blood, standing water, sap of plants, dung and debris. And the answer is sap of plants. Both the male and female mosquitoes eat the same things: nectar, plant sap, or honeydew for energy, but only female mosquitoes imbibe a blood meal. The female need the protein of blood plates to develop eggs. And the next question is, what is the normal blood volume in the human adult? Options are 1 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter and 7 liters. And the answer is 5 liter. The average adult has a blood volume of roughly 4 to 5 liters, which is composed of plasma and several kinds of cells. By volume, the red blood cells constitute about 45% of whole blood, plasma about 54.3% and white cells about 0.7%. Let's see the next question. The maximum fixation of solar energy is done by, options are bacteria, protozoa, fungi and green plants. And the answer is green plants. The photosynthetic efficiency is the fraction of light energy converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis in a plant and algae. Approximately two-thirds of the net global photosynthetic productivity worldwide is of terrestrial green plant origin. And the next question. Commonest mammal is, options are elephant, lion, human, panther. And the answer is human. Human are likely the most numerous species of a mammal on the earth at the moment. A normal range of breathing rate per minute in average adult person at rest is, options are 9 to 12, 12 to 18, and 21 to 24, and 30 to 30. And the answer is 12 to 18. The plant from which cocoa and the chocolate are obtained is, yeah. Options are herb, shrub, small tree, very big tree. And the answer is small tree. The chocolate production starts with harvesting cocoa in a forest. Cocoa comes from a tropical evergreen cocoa trees such as Theobroma cocoa, which are the small trees. And the next question is, which chromosomal combination is responsible for maleness in man? XO, XXX, XX, and XY. And the answer is XY. The chromosomes which determine the sex, maleness or femaleness of an individual is sexually producing organisms are called sex chromosomes or allosomes. In humans, an individual whole cells contain excess chromosomes. Homo or isogametric becomes a female, which one whose cells contains XY chromosomes. Heterogametic becomes a male. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you all.